boys. Something unthinkable has happened. Holy sh! Stand next to that thing.
Why does it look small?
That's comical.
This is my Miata.
Dude.
It's nasty.
That is so low.
Nasty.
The camber too.
It's nasty,
Dude. That is slammed enough.
That's as slammed as it can be, physically.
That is crazy. Damn. Dude, that is so...
It's not practical. Like, you could not take it in the mountains. It's not practical at all, but it's hilarious.
Yeah.
It looks sick, just dumped.
I want to do that. I want to do that to mine now. So the reason mine is not slammed like this is because my rear coilover, one of them seized. Damn, buddy, you're just looking spiffy with that haircut. Yeah, mine's not slammed because the rear coilover's stuck. But I don't know if we could get it unstuck.
It's rubbing against the fender well. It's squeaking like crazy because it's rubbing against the fender well. It bounces, it pops, it creaks, it rattles, it squeals.
But it's slammed.
It's so fun.
Dude, I just realized I haven't made a Miata video yet still on the channel.
Yeah.
Nope. Your Miata is like, just, the paint looks so good. Say, these look so good too.
Yeah, they've grown on me. I didn't know how I felt about them at first, but
It looks so good.
like multiple collisions, you can see the paint's
Yeah. Playing bumper cars. At least the whole front end's already been f***ed up, kinda. But I mean, it's a Miata, you know.
I will say, I'm not gonna leave it this low for long.
You're gonna take it like this slammed enough?
It would be fun, but one, I want to preserve the shell of this car, and I don't want to.
Oh, it's gonna be
I don't want to throw the frame underneath, and I don't want to rip holes in the fender liner. I'll probably raise it up just enough where it's not squeaking and ridiculous. There was a geek bar in the middle of the road, and I was like, oh shit! But if there's a rock or anything in the middle of the road,
Yeah, it'd be cooked.
ripperino.
Ripperino, indeed. Yeah, that would cook anything on the road. You gotta watch out for like branches, twigs. The static guys are laughing right now in the comments. They're like, you puss, can't hang with us.
You want to drive it?
I do kind of want to drive it. Let me whip the boat. Oh, this is funny. Shark. I want to see that. Oh yeah, bro, that's a Miata. The lip looks really good, I will say. I got some quick detail.
Yeah. What are we messing with yours or not?
I guess so. Do you want to slam it? I kind of want to slam it.
I really want to slam it, but
We can pull up to
can we
the.
slam it is the question.
That's the question too. For those of y'all who don't know, because I didn't say anything, we're going to a car meet again.
Is this a vlog?
Yeah. I think I don't know. I want to do more vlog stuff.
I like it. It's let the people get to know you.
Yeah.
It's more entertaining. It's not as niche. Like, you're not just talking about something that I don't understand.
Yeah. And a lot of people kind of, I don't know. You guys let me know down below what you guys think, but because like I don't know. It definitely is more personal, and
That's the kind of videos I like to watch. Like, it's cool seeing videos that creators go out of their way and spend a lot of time on, but then if they do a vlog, I feel like I'm friends with that person in the video. What are we doing? Come on.
Okay, so, all right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the Jetta, we're gonna take the Miata to the car meet. Obviously, you guys on my channel here have not seen the Miata at all in like a long time. It's been a long time. Yeah, you see it in the background of all my videos, but this is the OG, the 1997 Mazda Miata that we, Garrett mostly, wrapped.
She is a runner.
So, let me give y'all the breakdown of kind of how this thing has evolved. We have a door card. We have door cards now. We have a steering wheel. We have a bucket seat that is zip tied. It's really safe. We got some checkered floor mats. We got the 5-speed slush box that I just put into gear so that way it doesn't break us. The objective is we got to try to lower this one because it's And this is my steering wheel. Shout out Tyler. But yeah, she's running pretty strong. The 1.8 liter. This probably looks so different than the last time y'all saw it, but yeah, she's wrapped. She's looking good. She got some brand new tires on her. She's got 3 lug nuts in the rear. I almost just zoomed in on your ass. Yeah, it was kind of, but Garrett painted the calipers too a while back. We just cleaned the undercarriage and did like a full, like really clean detail. So like overall, she's pretty fucking minty, and I'm pretty fucking hungry. Guys, these are eBay max speeding rod coilovers that we got for free a long while ago. If anyone has an extra Miata coilover for the rear, please hit me up. I don't even have my garage door opener. So we are going to go to a car meet now. Let's see here. Bam. And the Miata door, you kind of got to slam it because she doesn't go in very well, but it works enough, okay? Oh. Let me roll down my window so I can hear you. Hey, I'm trying to talk to you, man.
I don't want to chit chat.
Why?
Because I'm tired of the chit chat.
Man.
I'm tired of the talk. That's all you do. Ow.
Shut up.
Look how high your car is, bro. Imagine being in a monster truck. Chill, bro.
There's no way you just did that. All right, boys, we're about to head out to the meet, and I can't record while I got my manual transmission here, so yeah, bye-bye. We don't really come out to car meets and stuff that much anymore, but like, it's something, bro.
It's like Fox is revving for people in the actual nice cars, like douchey about their car or whatever.
It's kind of shit to say, but like, dude, car meet culture really, like, has just gone down. It's gone so far downhill, man. I still try and come out from time to time, but like,
See, that's decent.
yeah, like, see, that's okay.
I'm okay with that rev.
And like, he didn't obnoxiously do it either. Like, that was like a little rev.
That sounds kind of sick.
That's cool. I f with that. It's an M tree. But like, that's... Yeah. I will say it's more comfortable sitting in this seat than the bucket seat. I'm sitting in the passenger side of the car right now because I was like, I just kind of hopped in here, but like, way more comfortable than the little ass Corbo seat. Much more comfortable. FYI, if you plan on buying a bucket seat.